Hey fashion lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Fashion Alchemist. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening according to your time and your location. You are most welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, if you are beginner on my YouTube channel then please subscribe, and if you already subscribed then don't forget to press the bell icon. So how are you guys? I hope all of you doing well and enjoying best condition of your health. Today in this video we will talk about a very amazing and elegant collection of leather mini skirts with different and beautiful blouses ideas. These are very amazing, dynamic and can go with any outfit. This is for those ladies, women and girls who love to wear these leather mini skirts. This is for special occasions like weddings, proms, formal events, get together, as well as for kiddies parties. This is for party wear, for wedding wear, for daily work wear. So guys, I must suggest you to watch the video till the end for more design, for more collection. So my dear friends, if you are a going lady then these options are perfect for you because these options are endless. You can wear these leather mini skirts 7 to 8 hours easily. So my dear friends, if you're loving these and if you want to buy these, then I will tell you the best website from where you can buy these very trending collection of leather mini skirts online. Before telling you the website, please subscribe my channel, and if you already subscribed then don't forget to press the bell icon for more design, for more collection and for more notification. In this way you will never miss my new video and collection of my channel. And guys, there is tons of exciting content waiting for you on my YouTube channel, so be sure to check it out. Follow me for fashion inspiration, styling tips, leather outfit ideas, leather bodycon dresses, leather mini skirts, midi skirts, leather thigh high boots, loney boots, etc. So my dear friends, the website from where you can buy this very trendy and outstanding collection of leather mini skirts online. So friends, you can buy these Amazon.com, AliExpress.com, Alibaba.com, Timo.com and many other best websites. You can buy these very easily at any cost, at any brand. So friends, if you're loving these then please do like my video and also share my video with your friends, with your family members, with your relatives and social media also. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep visiting my channel, keep watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like my video, don't forget to share my video, don't forget to press the bell icon, and don't forget to tell me in the comment section that how was the video, how was the design. Tell me all in the comment section. And my dear friends, if you have any doubt then the comment section is available for you. You can comment freely at any time. You can also ask any question. Let us know in the comment section that how was the video, how was the design. Tell me all in the comment section, because you can see guys, all of these designs are good and perfect. You can see in this my video. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep visiting my channel, keep supporting, keep watching my videos. So goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon with new elegant trendsetter and comfortable leather collection and new content. Take care.